So, another moderate risk was issued smack dab in the middle of Oklahoma, and that did not leave a very pleasing message in the hazardous weather outlook.
Day 1, today and tonight, thunderstorms. Late this afternoon and evening, severe thunderstorms will likely develop, with the highest potential east of the line from Woodward to Vernon, Texas. Very large hail up to the size of baseballs or larger and damaging wind gusts up to 80 miles an hour will be possible. In addition, there is a medium chance for tornadoes, primarily east of Interstate 35/44 this evening between 5 to 10 p.m. The severe threat should end after 11 p.m.
They claimed the event would start at 2 p.m. and end at 11 p.m. So, what can I say other than, let's get this party started.
Tornado Watch number 65, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area.
We only missed 3 on this one day. It's not that bad.
Should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Noble, north central Logan, and northwestern Payne counties. At 3:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Perry, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Oh boy.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Wait, did I miss 4 then?
Damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Did I miss 4?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perry, Morrison, Red Rock, Orlando, Lake McMurtry, Luzine, Sooner Lake, and Lake Carl Blackwell. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 65.
Warning! I got a warning! Oh, I forgot that
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm gonna check the FM stations real quick.
A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Kingfisher, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail.
There's one. I think that's, K-Love.
At all today. Revel.
5:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of King at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail.
What?
This is a radar indicator.
Yeah? It's okay.
Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following because low. The watch remains in effect.
Hey, the Twister! Alright. That was quite a few. There's a second one! There's a second one! Woohoo! Time to check the FM stations! FM stations! Time to check you!
In central Oklahoma until 6. Maybe we will make. Thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Kingfisher, at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
From the swing.
Please,
Has been Evan Port.
15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, most mystery. p.m. Central Daylight Time. Thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Kingfisher. Moving. Size hail.
Twister
This is a radar
again!
indicated threat.
Twister's easily my favorite channel at this point.
That is just feet.
Alright. That was quite a few. I was tracking that one like a freaking bird, too. And it just happened to come on at the right time, the perfect time.
Yeah. That's perfect.
Oh my goodness.
I'm shook right now.
Yeah, these two were like pretty much back to back.
Hold on. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they definitely were. Both for Kingfisher.
Got it. Easy got it.
Yeah. This really is picking up for the moderate risk. Second one ever caught on this channel. Alright, tornado possible, demonstrate considerable, 60 mile per hour wind gusts and 1 inch hail. Check the FM stations. Come on. There you go. There you go. Loud.
The ship. July.
It's hard. Other service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield. Hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Yep.
Begin receiving those jets.
Like that.
Indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
That's
Hail
not a
damage
new one,
to the-
right? I think that was the first station I ended up getting.
A tornado watch remains
In effect for the warned area.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:50.
I'm not gonna do that.
Central Daylight Time for Central
We got a severe thunderstorm warning.
6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
The storm was located near Kingfisher, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail with 70 miles an hour wind.
First time you're actually kind of fast.
National Weather
What is
Service
this?
in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Kingfisher
Issue severe
County,
thunderstorm
central
warning.
Oklahoma,
Tornado possible.
Noble County, Oklahoma,
Wind 70 mile per hour and pretty big hail. Garfield, Kingfisher, Logan, Noble, and Payne. Sounds like I just did a freaking rap.
Service is to make best warranty in the industry. Yourself up with some.
in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma.
Garfield.
Until 7
Well, bless.
15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located southwest of level. Light time. East at 35 miles an hour. It is 7 miles southwest of level. Moving north.
Set for
Hazards include
they're keen on
north 5 miles an hour. Expected hazards.
clear.
Sighting, windows, and vehicles.
Twister!
Expect considerable tree damage.
Dash bloom in April.
Homes, roof.
Regarding your
Possible tornado. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
aspect of your life, if you're thinking
Sturdy structure. For your protection or small central room in a sturdy structure. For
Okay,
your
there were
protection-
two right next to each other right there.
70 miles an hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
And they updated the other one with the smaller hail. Dude, this is getting really bad. I am still surprised that a tornado warning has not been ruled out yet.
And outbuildings.
Ugh.
Locations.
This one's for Canadian.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
Yes,
thunderstorm
I'm
warning
aware.
for northwestern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma.
And they updated that one.
Blaine County in northwestern
60 mile per hour,
northwestern Canadian
1.5 inch hail. Come on, FM stations, do your thing. It's just gonna be the same ones. That's a third? No, it's a second.
At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Hydro, moving north hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. On the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Nice Israel's actions. Again,
Alright, that one's for Canadian. Ugh. Uh-oh, there's another strong thunderstorm as well impact. I already know that's about to intensify. Woohoo! Ignore that.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Caddo County.
Central Cattle and Canadian.
The owner of the ship.
Everybody would do that. I mean,
Language to a ballot.
Thunderstorm warning for Central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Canadian County, Oklahoma, until 7:50. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located
Bruh, come on.
at 30 miles. Expected wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. This is a radar indicated threat. The following sighting entries. Locations impacted include Carnegie, Minger, Fort Cobb. Expect locations impacted include Hinton, Carnegie, Minger, Fort Cobb. Look at Fort Cobb Reservoir, Palmer, and Cedar Lake. For your lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God, man!
Oh my gosh!
Thunderstorms. For your protection,
Oh my goodness!
on the lowest floor
I gotta be at least like 160 now, right?
thunderstorm warning
Hey,
remains in
man!
effect
Dang,
until
this
6:45
SVR
p.m.
filler.
Central
Give me
Daylight
something
Time.
else.
Yeah.
We got a tornado warning. It's about time. Oh, oh. Tornado warning. No
Tornado
blood paid.
warning!
No blood paid. What entailed?
Tornado warning for southeastern Noble County.
FM stations.
I'm standing on your promises and I
I'm gonna get a copyright claim. I'm gonna get a copyright claim. I'm gonna get a copyright claim. Woo, 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 woo. Come on, just do it already, please.
No.
7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
Okay, that was the wrong station then.
In quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation.
Streaming. Hey.
Oh, that's weird. That was weird. I only got one FM station out of that. That's weird. I only got one FM station out of that. Jeez, though. Finally, we get a tornado warning.
Hey,
After all the freaking tornado possible SVRs.
yeah.
Yeah. I think this is the first tornado warning that came from the EIR 10 as well. I think. I don't know.
Wayne and bro, where's Pain? Dude, where's Pain?
Is that another one? Okay, I was about to say. It's just another strong thunderstorms will impact portions of these counties. But like, woo!
More Steve.
Your thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern
Another
Oklahoma,
SVR.
central Logan County in central Oklahoma, Payne County in central
Another
Oklahoma,
SVR.
7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake McMurtry to 4 miles southeast of Lake Carl Blackwell to near Toyle, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, east central Logan County in central Oklahoma.
70 mile per hour wind gusts and 1.25 inch hail with a tornado possible.
41 p.m.
It's something
Wind damage is also likely to Oklahoma.
we've come from about
Carl Blackwell to near Toyle, moving east at 4 miles an hour. Harry, expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated $half size hail. This is a radar indicated threat.
And
Quickly from severe thunderstorms. Or wind gusts and $half size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
Twister, yeah.
Morrison, Glencoe, Ripley, Coyle, Lake Carl Blackwell, Lake McMurtry, Key, and Ingalls. Remain alert for
single game tickets now for upcoming.
Central Daylight Time. This launch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Maine, and Tonawanda.
All right, that's another one. That's another one. All right. I must be at like 170 by now, dude. Jeez. This is absolute madness.
Mama.
What the heck? Another one? Wait, what? No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. It's just the previous one. Okay. Alright. What the heck?
Northern Logan, southwest
Okay, they updated the one for Canadian.
a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Wait, they updated another one.
Central daylight time for southeastern Blaine and northwestern Canadian counties.
Stop.
At 6:44 p.m. Central daylight
They updated like 2 in a row.
was located near Erie, moving northeast at 35
They're be
miles an
pouring
hour.
out like soda. Baby
Yeah, I guess you can see a soda dispenser.
Yeah. Almost like that.
Yeah. I gave my friend over in Payne County a call, which lives in like Stillwater and Cushing. Just want to make sure they're okay. Yeah, holy crap, dude. This is crazy. Absolute madness. Yeah, absolute madness.
Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Logan County and central Oklahoma.
What is your reception? What is your reception?
Central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Toyle, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. In central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight, a severe thunderstorm near Toyle, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is radar.
Point the finger at anybody who kind of
Force the arm.
Coil and in gulls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Alright, that's another one. Let me look closer into this. 7:25. I'm getting kind of tired. Alright, just Logan and Payne. It's not even that bad. Yeah, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Yeah, it's fine.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southeast of Loyal to 8 miles west of Okarche to near Erie. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern
No attention
County
tone?
in northwestern Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingfisher County in central
Your dreams lead to success.
severe thunderstorms along a line extending from 5 miles southeast of Loyal to 8 miles west of Okarche to near Erie, moving east at 35 miles. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, Erie, Cashin, Dover, and Omega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Okay, that's another one. Let's see here. Dang, it's like back to back. Blaine Canadian Kingfisher for another not so serious storm. That's great. That's great. I'm like at 180 by now.
Remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Do it.
Torrential rainfall.
Do it. There's a flash flood warning.
Flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Dude.
The severe thunderstorm.
There's a flash flood warning for Kingfisher.
Canadian counties is canceled.
There's a flash flood warning for Kingfisher. They're not doing it yet.
Has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2
Oh, my
inches are
laptop
possible in
died.
the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include thunderstorms. Source, radar. Following effects are expected. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, as well as other warned streams and low-lying areas. Possible in the warned area. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Kingfisher, Cashin, and Galore. Turn around. Hazards include flash thunderstorms. Include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Expected flash urban areas. Include flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source radar. The following experience flash flooding include Kingfisher, Cashin, and Dover. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flood codes.
Wait.
This is a radar indicated threat. Impact.
If you're looking
Alright.
Locations impacted.
Alright, flash flood warning. That's new. After the bombardation of severe thunderstorms, my laptop died, so I have to charge it.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower
Probably
floor of a building.
confused. Whatever. Boba Fett, what do you say about this?
Daylight time this evening.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
It's like I think this has to be the last one, right?
In southern Oklahoma, east central Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Cleveland County
West City, relief is
until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Iowa.
or visit
A severe thunderstorm was located southeast Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, and wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are
Many days.
exciting entries. Locations impacted include personnel.
Okay. 60 miles per hour. What? SFW? You mean SVR? Oh my gosh, brother. I probably got a copyright strike just from that. Ah. Ah.
Hey, dude.
What?
There's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, I know. I got it.
Great.
Oh. Oh.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
That's
This
unexpected.
is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail
Nice
damage
stuff,
to
Will.
vehicles is expected. Expect
Hey,
wind
they issued
damage to
a
roofs,
SVR for
siding,
you
and
too
trees.
in Franklin.
Locations impacted include Ava, Pauls Valley, Sulphur, Davis, Wynnewood, Stratford, Kanawa, Vine, Rolfe, Springer, Wayne, Howley, Stonewall, Asher, Gwinnett, Mill Creek.
I'm gonna real quick get the FM stations as quick as I can.
Include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated area. Wynnewood, Stratford, Kanawa, Vine, Rolfe.
Supplement. The Raider County State Tournament.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Alright. Okay. There's that one. Let me see. That's a lot of counties, though. It's not for us. Well, alright. It looks like it's the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.